We've assembled 20 wild revelations guaranteed to level up your historical street cred. Hello, fearless curiosity addicts, and welcome to Today in History for 23rd April, a date that delivered everything from heroic last stands to cosmic breakthroughs. Love mind-boggling twists, epic mischief, or star-studded expansions of knowledge? Smash that subscribe button now, because once we launch this time machine, your everyday normal may never recover. Buckle up. We're rocketing across centuries in search of history's best-kept secrets. Number 20. On 23rd April 1014, the Battle of Clontarf raged near Dublin, ending Viking power in Ireland. High King Brian Boru secured victory but was slain, fueling centuries of Celtic legend. Number 19. On 23rd April 1185, the Battle of Dan-no-ura erupted off Japan's southern coast, pitting Minamoto against Taira samurai. Minamoto triumph spelled doom for the Taira clan's imperial ambitions in feudal Japan. Number 18. On 23rd April 1348, King Edward III of England founded the Order of the Garter, a chivalric group featuring fancy robes, cryptic mottos, and centuries of secretive medieval pageantry. Number 17. On 23rd April 1516, Bavaria adopted the Reinheitsgebot, beer purity law, limiting brews to water, barley, and hops. Centuries later, German beer lovers still toast its existence with frothy mugs held high. Number 16. On 23rd April 1564 traditionally, William Shakespeare was born in Stratford-upon-Avon, forging plays and sonnets that enthrall modern audiences and occasionally baffle high school students grappling with Elizabethan rhymes. Number 15. On 23rd April 1616, Miguel de Cervantes died in Madrid, leaving behind Don Quixote, that comedic odyssey of windmills, misguided chivalry, and timeless commentary on human dreams versus reality. Number 14. On 23rd April 1661, Charles II was crowned at Westminster Abbey, restoring the English monarchy after Cromwell's puritanical interlude. His lavish court signaled a swing back to partying and flamboyant fashion. Number 13. On 23rd April 1720, the Bank of England halted the South Sea Company's collapsing stock, unveiling one of history's most notorious financial bubbles, exploding fortunes, shattered dreams, and endless investor regrets. Number 12. On 23rd April 1792, Claude-Joseph Rouget de Lille composed La Marseillaise, the French national anthem, in a patriotic fervor. Its rousing tune powered revolutionary zeal and quivered aristocratic knees across Europe. Number 11. On 23rd April 1867, Queen Victoria and Napoleon III bonded over the Exposition Universelle in Paris, where Eiffel's early designs and epic amusements dazzled onlookers longing for a futuristic tomorrow. Number 10. On 23rd April 1896, the first motion picture projector was publicly demonstrated in the United States, mesmerized viewers gawking at flickering images, a stepping stone to Hollywood's big-screen spectacles. Number 9. On 23rd April 1918, the Zeebrugge raid unfolded as British sailors tried blocking a Belgian port used by Germany's U-boats. Despite fierce gunfire, their daring sabotage offered a morale boost. Number 8. On 23rd April 1927, Cardiff City beat Arsenal 1-0 to lift the FAA Cup, marking the only time a non-English team has won. Londoners still grumble about that Welsh soccer coup. Number 7. On 23 April 1942, Germany launched the Baedeker Blitz, bombing historic British cities in revenge raids. Spires, medieval lanes, and civilians bore the brunt of Luftwaffe wrath amid stiff Allied resolve. Number 6. On 23 April 1967, the Soyuz 1 mission lifted off with cosmonaut Vladimir Komarov, only to end tragically. His spacecraft's parachute failed, revealing the Soviet space program's hidden design flaws. Number 5. On 23 April 1972, Apollo 16's John Young and Charlie Duke drove their lunar rover across the Descartes Highlands, snagging moon rocks for earthly labs while drifting in low-gravity style. Number 4. On 23 April 1985, Coca-Cola unveiled New Coke, triggering a consumer revolt so intense they resurrected classic Coke within months. A cautionary tale of messing with beloved sugary formulas. Number 3. On 23 April 1993, Eritreans voted overwhelmingly for independence from Ethiopia, sealing a 3-decade struggle. The new nation emerged in Africa's Horn, albeit saddled with lingering border disputes and challenges. Number 2. On 23 April 2005, the first YouTube video, Me at the Zoo, was uploaded, starring co-founder Jawed Karim and oblivious elephants. This mundane clip launched a global video revolution. Number 1. On 23 April 2018, Miguel Díaz-Canel succeeded Raúl Castro as Cuba's president, marking the first time since 1959 that a Castro wasn't head of state, sparking curiosity about reforms. And there you have it, 23 April's cosmic leaps, fiascos, and unstoppable revolutions, each guaranteed to shake your sense of normal. If your mind just did a backflip, hit subscribe so you never miss another jaw-dropping date. Tomorrow's episode promises bigger conspiracies, comedic mishaps, and maybe a cameo from your favorite historical bigwig. Ready to keep unraveling time's hidden corners? Stick around. Our next stop might just unveil secrets that rewrite everything you thought you knew.